Hi, welcome to my apartment. Come on in. Welcome to my bedroom. We are starting this tour in my bedroom, which is actually my favorite room in my apartment. As you can see, it is white, it's minimalist in my opinion, and lots of Scandinavian inspired themes in my bedroom. One of my favorite features in the bedroom is my bed. No shockers there. My bed is pretty comfy. I actually just got a memory foam insert in my bed to make it even more comfy. I really love my dressers and my nightstands. I love a good DIY, and my dresser I actually painted myself, and my nightstands, this one and the one over there in the background, I painted myself. So lots of DIY magic in this bedroom. I have lived here for 5 years, and over the years there's been lots of upgrades to this bedroom. Most recently an installation of more shelving, so the shelves in the background were installed recently. I really love how many plants I have in my bedroom. This plant over there is like a little heart shape. I've moved it around in different spots in my apartment, and I think this spot is pretty good. It's not the biggest plant, but it seems to be happy. It doesn't get the most sunshine over there. But yeah, this is my bedroom. I spend a lot of time here, and I'm happy to show it to you guys. I've lived here for 5 years, so this living room definitely looks very lived in. A lot of my furniture here I've kind of collected over the years, but my favorite feature in this living room is actually my gallery wall, and I love the fact that I have lots of African art and pieces kind of sprinkled around my living room. My couch, very comfy. Nothing in this apartment is really expensive. My most expensive furniture is probably my bed, which, you know, that's a good investment, invested in your sleep. But my couch is probably like $80 or something like that. I got it from a person who lives across the street from me. And my furniture, most of it is used. That little IKEA stand that you can see under the TV, I actually painted it myself. And yeah, my TV is used. A lot of this furniture here, you know, I've kind of collected over the years. You can kind of see in the background where I film my YouTube videos. I film it just right there in the corner by the window next to the desk. I don't know what else to say about my living room. I try to make it as minimalist and organized and clutter-free as possible, but let me know what you think. This is the kitchen. It is small, but it gets the job done. I feel like I can kind of stretch my arms across, and well, I'm pretty tall. I actually don't reach to the corners of the kitchen, so that's good. There's countertops on this side. That's where the sink and the microwave is, and then this side is just the fridge and the stove. If you hear some cooking right now, we've got rice going on the stove. So yeah, this is the kitchen. It's very small and functional, but I like it. It's just big enough for 2 people. Sometimes it gets a bit cramped in here, but it's a small but minimalist and efficient apartment kitchen.